Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you some different styles that you can do using your tape-in. And because I have blown out tape-ins, I'm going to show you different blown out hairstyles. And my tape-ins are from Betterlength. I will leave all of their information down below in the description box. And if you haven't seen my video on how I install them, which is super easy, I will go ahead and link that up above somewhere and in my description box as well. So let's go ahead and get started.
Ryan Little.